My 4-step method for creating AI-generated animation. I just walked past 2 random guys casually debating how much money Mr. Beast makes, and they didn't notice me. Step 1 is to create a prompt in ChatGPT. Step 2, head over to Krea.ai. You can copy and paste your prompt from ChatGPT right into the prompt generator. You can choose your aspect ratio. In this case, I've chosen 9:16. You can generate images for free. I generated all of these images, get free credits every day. And I think I've got about 50 pictures here before you run out of credits. I really like their image generation. They do a beautiful job. This is the image I chose for my project. Step 3, I head over to klingai.com. Kling does a great job and creates amazing videos. You get a few free credits every day that you log in. I actually have a paid account. We can now upload the character we created in Krea.ai. Make sure you're on Image to Video. Also pick the Frames tab. For the prompt, you can copy and paste the previous prompt you used in the Krea app, which is what I normally do. In this case, I just typed in a simple prompt because I wanted my character to pretend she was talking. Scroll down to Settings. If you use Standard and 5 seconds, you will use less credits. I usually use Professional mode and 10 seconds. 98% of the time, it will create a video that is definitely usable. Here are my results. Step 4, we will add the lip syncing. Just underneath your generated video, you will see a lip sync button. Once you've pressed it, you have a choice. You can type in what you want your character to say. You can pick from some of the voices provided on Kling, or you can upload a recording. It will cost 10 credits to do a 10-second lip sync. In my case, I uploaded a recording. Here are my results.
When you have long, luscious hair, every day feels like a photo shoot in the making. I used to dread the tedious routine of brushing, untangling knots, and endless split ends.
If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. I'm so close to 1,000.